All right. Let's dive into something pretty cool today.
Yeah.
The Hedge plus code. Have you heard of this?
I have, yeah.
Okay, cool. So basically, this is a custom trading strategy for algorithmic trading.
Right.
And they've tested this thing over 6,000 times.
Wow.
So, it's built to help you find an edge in the market. And imagine, having this system that analyzes market data and executes trades for you.
Yeah.
Based on your criteria. That's what the Hedge plus code is all about.
Yeah, and you know what sets this code apart?
What's that?
It's not a black box.
Okay.
You actually have control over how it operates. So think of it like a highly skilled trading assistant.
Okay.
That understands exactly, how much risk you're willing to take and what kind of trades you're looking for.
That's cool. So you get to define that.
Exactly.
That's awesome. And the best part is it's accessible to anyone.
Oh, wow.
The Hedge Plus team has made this code available through their YouTube channel. So all you got to do is leave a comment on one of their videos.
It's that easy.
It's that easy. And you can unlock this incredible tool.
That is remarkable. I mean, they're really democratizing access to this level of trading sophistication.
Yeah.
I mean, we're talking about strategies that were once only available to, institutions with massive resources. And now, individual traders like you and me can harness the power of algorithmic trading.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's break down some of the key features here of the Hedge Plus code. One that jumps out at me is this concept of dynamic filters.
Yes.
Can you explain this a little bit?
Yeah. So dynamic filters are kind of like gatekeepers, right?
Oh.
They prevent the algorithm from entering trades that don't meet your specific criteria.
Okay.
So, for example, you can set filters to make sure the algorithm only trades when the price is moving in a certain direction or with a certain level of momentum.
Okay.
And this helps you avoid those frustrating trades that go sideways.
Right after you enter, yeah.
Right after you enter, exactly.
Yeah. So it's like having this built-in safety net that's like, hey, hold on a second.
Yeah.
This trade doesn't fit our strategy. Let's wait for a better opportunity.
Precisely. And the beauty of these dynamic filters is they adapt to market conditions.
So they're not static?
They're not static, no.
Okay.
They adjust based on the real-time market data.
Wow.
To make sure that you're always entering trades that align with your overall strategy.
So it's not just about avoiding those bad trades. It's also about optimizing your entry points to maximize your profit, right?
Absolutely. It's about finding those sweet spots where the odds are in your favor, and the dynamic filters help you identify those opportunities.
That's really cool. So we know risk management is paramount in trading, right? It's not just about winning trades. It's about managing those inevitable losses that come with, the territory.
Right.
How does the Hedge Plus code address this critical aspect?
Well, one of the most important features is its emphasis on risk management. You can set things like your stop loss and your take profit levels directly in the code.
Okay.
And it'll automatically execute those orders for you.
That's huge, especially for someone, like me who sometimes second guesses themselves and lets their emotions get in the way.
Right.
It's like having that disciplined trading partner.
Exactly.
Who sticks to the plan even when things get a little crazy.
The algorithm takes the emotion out of it.
Yeah.
It executes your predetermined strategy
right.
without hesitation.
Without fear.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, so speaking of staying focused, the Hedge Plus team developed something called the risk management game.
Yes.
To help traders hone their skills in a simulated environment. So tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, the risk management game is a fantastic resource, especially for newer traders. It's an interactive tool that simulates various market scenarios.
Gotcha.
And allows you to practice your risk management skills without risking real capital.
So it's like a flight simulator for traders. You can, test different strategies, make mistakes.
Right.
And learn from your experience in a safe, controlled setting.
Precisely. You can experiment with different stop loss and take profit levels. You can see how different market conditions impact your trades.
Right.
And you can develop a solid understanding of risk management principles before you take them into the live markets.
Oh, that's awesome. I wish I had that when I was first starting out. That would have been awesome.
It's a fantastic tool for building confidence.
Yeah.
And developing the discipline needed to succeed in the markets.
Absolutely.
So let's say, you're looking at a potential trade setup.
Okay.
And you're just about to hit that buy button.
Okay, yeah.
This is where the Hedge Plus code's dynamic filters really shine.
Okay.
They act as a second set of eyes, basically,
Yeah.
evaluating the trade based on your criteria.
So it's like having a seasoned trader looking over your shoulder being like, hold on a minute.
Exactly.
Let's just make sure this aligns with our strategy.
Yeah.
Before we commit any capital.
Precisely. Imagine you've set a filter
Okay.
that requires a certain level of price momentum
Okay.
before entering a trade.
Right.
The Hedge Plus code will analyze the recent price action,
Okay.
and if it doesn't meet your momentum threshold, it'll hold back,
Interesting.
even if it initially looked promising.
That's a game changer, especially for traders who, get caught up in that excitement.
Yeah.
So what's the first step for someone new to algorithmic trading and they want to explore this Hedge Plus code?
I would say start by spending some time with the code itself.
Okay.
Get familiar with the inputs, the logic behind the dynamic filters,
Yeah.
the risk management parameters.
Okay.
Don't just, blindly copy and paste settings from someone else.
Right.
Really take the time to understand how each element works and how it fits into your trading plan.
So it's about taking ownership
Exactly.
of your strategy.
Yeah, it's not just about plugging in some numbers and hoping for the best.
Right.
It's about understanding why those numbers matter.
Right.
And how they're going to impact your trades.
Absolutely. And once you have that grasp of the code, what's the next step?
The next step is to backtest your strategy.
Okay.
So this involves running the code on historical data.
Okay. So you're seeing how it would have performed
Exactly.
in the past.
To see how it would have performed in the past. So it's like a dress rehearsal
Okay.
for your trading strategy. You get to test it out in a controlled environment before you go live.
Before you risk your capital.
Exactly.
And we know that, past performance isn't indicative of future results,
Right.
but backtesting can still provide valuable insights.
Absolutely. It's not about finding a strategy that wins every trade. That's just not realistic.
Right.
It's about identifying a strategy that has a statistical edge over time.
Right.
And that aligns with your risk tolerance and trading goals.
So it's about finding a strategy that you're comfortable with, that you can stick to,
Exactly.
even when the market throws a curveball.
And remember, algorithmic trading is not a set it and forget it approach.
Right.
You need to continuously monitor your strategy,
Right.
adjust your settings as needed, and stay informed about what's happening in the market.
So it's an ongoing process
It is.
of learning and adapting.
Absolutely.
That's really important to remember. Algorithmic trading can be a powerful tool, but it's not magic, right?
No.
It still requires knowledge, skill, and a willingness to put in the work.
And that's where the Hedge Plus team's YouTube channel and the risk management game are so valuable.
Yeah.
They really provide a wealth of resources to support traders.
Yeah.
From educational videos to those interactive simulations.
It's like having a trading mentor, right?
Exactly.
In your pocket,
Yeah.
guiding you, helping you avoid those pitfalls.
Absolutely. They've created a really unique and valuable ecosystem for traders of all levels.
Yeah.
And the best part is it's all freely available.
That's amazing.
Anyone who wants to improve their trading can access it.
This deep dive into the Hedge Plus code has been incredibly insightful. We've covered so much: the code's functionality, backtesting, risk management,
Yeah, a lot of information.
continuous learning, so much good stuff.
It's been great sharing this journey with you and our listeners.
Yeah.
And I hope this deep dive has given you the confidence to explore algorithmic trading.
Absolutely.
And maybe even a newfound understanding of its potential.
And remember, everybody, trading, whether it's algorithmic or you're doing it yourself, it's a journey
It is.
of continuous learning.
Keep learning.
Stay curious, stay disciplined, and never stop seeking that knowledge.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Happy trading, everyone.
Happy trading.